This lecture includes, what is cost, what is costing, what is cost accounting. What is cost? It may be defined as that which is given or is sacrificed to obtain something. The cost of an article consists of actual outgoing, or ascertained charges incurred, in its production in a shape fit for consumption and having utility. What is costing? According to the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants UK (CIMA), defines costing as the technique and process of ascertaining costs. What is cost accounting? It is the process of accounting for cost, which begins with recording of expenditure, and ends with the preparation of statistical data. It is the formal mechanism by means of which costs of products or services are ascertained, analyzed, and controlled. If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.